Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a chicken fried rice. My mom sort of made it into two things, so the recipe is from allrecipes.com, and it's for a chicken stir fry, but she also added egg to it, so she sort of made it like a chicken stir fry fried rice. So anyway, you can watch the video and see what she did, but it turned out really good, and everybody really liked it. But that is what she made for the Monday meal today. And it's just a lovely spring Monday. And I hope you guys are having a great Monday so far. And if you have not already, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone, as Yoda said, we are making a chicken stir fry for the Monday meal, and we're using some leftover rice that I had from a Taco Tuesday. So I am not going to have to make any rice. See? But this recipe, it has you make some white rice if you don't already have some made. And then we are stir frying the vegetables in coconut aminos instead of sesame oil, because I'm allergic to that. That is a substitute for soy sauce. So I've got some broccoli, some corn, and some onions in here. I steamed the broccoli in the bag and then put it in the stir fry with the coconut aminos and the corn and the onion. I did about a cup each of those. So that's what's in here. As you can see, it is stir fried up. Smells good. And now we're going to add the marinade and the rice. So what I did was I took 2 cans of chicken and put them in this marinade, which is... part of this. It's the soy sauce. It's 2/3 of a cup soy sauce, in this case coconut aminos, then 1/4 of a cup brown sugar. We're using organic coconut sugar. Then a tablespoon of cornstarch. I didn't have any, so I used oat flour, gluten-free. Then you use a tablespoon of fresh minced ginger. I didn't have fresh, so it's 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. Then a tablespoon of minced garlic, and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of red chili flake. So I mix that together, and then I put my chicken down in the marinade. So we're going to take this and add it to this, and add the rice as well, and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, so I've mixed everything together, the rice with the chicken and the marinade, and now I added 4 just eggs. So plant-based eggs, vegan because I'm allergic to eggs, but I wanted it to be a true stir fry. Now the recipe that I'm going to link below does not call for eggs, but a lot of stir fries have it. So, or fried rice, I'm sort of making it like stir fry / fried rice. So using 4 of my just eggs, which means 4 times 3, because you have to do 3 tablespoons for every egg with just eggs. So it is 12 tablespoons of just egg, and you can see it's bubbling there. You do it like scrambled eggs, basically. So I made a little well in the center, heating them up. And when they start to heat up into pieces, then I'll stir it into the rest of the meal, and it will be done. See how it's starting to scramble? It scrambles just like a real egg. You can make frittatas with it. You can make omelets with them. You can make anything you do with a real egg, bake with them. Great consistency, great color. Tastes really good too. They use them on the Disney cruise ships, this particular brand usually. They do a vegan egg omelet or a vegan omelet. It's usually this one. It's made of mung bean, which coincidentally enough is low in oxalates. Or the kidney producing stuff we try to avoid in our house. Kidney stone producing stuff. Oh, it's scrambling up. Doesn't it look good? This is our chicken stir fry with a couple of modifications. Of course, I always do that. So I'll link to the original recipe from allrecipes.com below. And it tastes really good. I really like the marinade with my coconut aminos instead of soy sauce. So, and sesame oil, which I can't use that. So I use soy sauce to fry the vegetables in as well. Or the coconut aminos as soy sauce. Look, fluffing up, scrambling up like a real egg. Isn't that impressive? Not bad for a plant-based egg. All right, now we're just gonna mix it all in together, fold those eggs in, and we are done. This is our chicken stir fry slash fried rice. Think of it as a Wheel of Fortune before and after kind of puzzle. Chicken stir fry fried rice. And you can use whatever vegetables you have. I mean, this one specifically called for broccoli, but it also called for bell pepper and some other stuff that I'm allergic to and didn't use. So you just use whatever works for you. All right, guys, there it is. Finished product, ready to eat. Nummy, nummy. Enjoy. Happy Monday.